Hello, friends. Today, our topic is air conditioning repairing in Coral Springs. Yes, if you want to repair your AC in United States, 8 Air Pros we provide the Coral Springs, Florida with trusted residential air conditioning repairing service. Our team is the comprised of expert AC professional who perform suitable AC repairing as well as specialize in AC tune-up and AC installation services with the speed, efficiency, and we have survive areas across Florida, including Divide, Fort Lauderdale, Backup, Raton, Acola, and Coral Springs, with the AC repair service that keep their space cool and comfort all year long. If you are the seeking AC repairing solution in the Coral Spring area, look no further than Air Pros. Sign you Coral Spring properties need a AC repairing. Yes, if you want to repair your AC and Coral, please contact with us for specialization services, and we have expertise of AC mechanics. So don't be afraid and contact with us for AC repairing, please. If you like our video, please like and subscribe and take care.